Guys, today we are going to learn how to change a door lock of your house door by yourself, so you don't need to go to anyone or ask anyone to come your home to change your lock. Everything is very private to you. So first, it's very easy. Just take a screwdriver and open the screw at the center of the lock. Once you open this, the lock will be free. You have to pull the lock out, the old lock, and just put the new lock cylinder inside. You can see the hole for the screw. Just try to make it in the center and then try to fix the screw again. The new screw comes with the new lock. It's your choice. You can put the old screw or use the new one. Better to use the new one, as the old one get rusty. Just tight the screw clockwise you do to open it, and the door lock is fixed. It's just a 2 minutes job. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel to have more videos like this. Please like. Thank you and bye bye.